Okay, I don't think you're ready for this, or you might be. Oh my gosh. These are the new pourpalz. This is totally bigger than I ever expected. These are your own DIY collectibles, and they are just so, so cool. Oh my goodness. Let me get them out. We have a Berry Blast one, and it comes with 3 paints. Then there's the Golden Dream, and that also comes with 3 paints. But you can like totally mix and match if you really, really wanted to. Like if you want to put the gold with this like deeper royal blue. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. Thank you so much to toymonster. Pourpalz are going to be great for like a paint night. Give it to your teen, your tween. It's just a fun, cool gift for like a birthday, holiday, fun family craft night. They're going to be available at all Walmart stores. If you're in the UK, you get them at Smith's Toys. You're in Canada, Walmart Canada. So definitely get your hands on these because they're going to be a hot holiday item. And not only do they have these large bear style figures that kind of remind me of like bear bricks, they also have bunnies. They also have keychains. They're just like the possibilities are endless. And I absolutely love the idea of DIYing where you're mixing your own paint, pouring it on, and creating this really, really cool marbleized figures. This is so awesome. I love that we have these now. It's for ages 5 and up. And honestly, with some, you know, adult supervision, it shouldn't be too bad. Oh my gosh. I love it. Super posable too. It has 5 points of articulation. You get gloves too, which is really, really nice. You basically get everything that you need. Pretty cool. Sweet. Oh, it has like a, what?
Oh, it's like a vest thing.
They gave me an apron. Pourpalz, pourpalz, you gave me an apron. It's a clean sheet. Here's your gloves. The gloves to pour the pals. I'm gonna do that. I wouldn't do it in the order that I just did where I put the gloves on, but why not? First, place your clean sheet in your work area. Put on your apron. Done. Put on your gloves. Done. Stand up your character. Done. This is the Golden Dreams paint. And then we have our pore applicator and our mixing cup. Next, you're just going to pour the paint in your mixing cup, and you could layer it. So while you're pouring it, it could be like different colors coming out. You see the way it looks in there? Whoa!
Good thing you had gloves on.
Yeah, good thing is right. So I'm going to give our adorable bear a bath.
Oh my gosh. Looks like we added a lot of teal.
I love it. We haven't even gotten there yet. And do the same thing. And then, now we have that. And now we're gonna take our applicator and pour the rest. Hopefully it doesn't fall forward. Applicator, and just scoop out some paint in the areas that need it the most. Like I need it on the top. I need it by the ear.
And the arm.
The arm.
This one.
And the best thing to do is just start from the top so it just drips down. And even if it's like it's missing some in other spots, it's okay because
it's just gonna drip onto it.
Right, it's gonna drip on, but even if it's like little white parts left over, it still looks so cool. But I love the marbling of it. But imagine if we like dipped it in like a box instead of doing it like this. How cool it would be. It would be so cool. Art is based off how you see it, right? So if you think it looks bad, I might think it looks good.
I like it.
I love it. So art is a subjective view. And right now I'm loving like the teal on the back. And I don't want it to like be too mixed. I'm trying to get some more pink in it. Ooh, doggone. Here we go. I'm gonna fix that. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Nice fresh drip. Now that my pourpalz is dry, I can now display it on my shelf. And the cool part about pourpalz is that you can display them in any pose you'd like. They're kind of hard to sit down because they're not really that hinged at the hip. However, they are really, really adorable. Mine came out a little gray. Yes, I kind of went nuts with the gold, but it looks so cool otherwise. And when the light hits it just right, you can see all of the colors coming out. I can't wait to pourpalz the other pourpalz that I have, and I want to thank toymonster for gifting me this product for free. Again, you can find these on Walmart in store, so make sure you grab these now for any of the artists in your life. It's perfect for kids, for adults, pretty much any age. Anybody is going to have fun playing with pourpalz. They're just so cool, so unique. And don't forget to scan the QR code on the box because you'll be able to see all of the other products that toymonster has, especially other lines of pourpalz, all different variations of this brand new line, even little keychains. And you can use these as keychains. I would recommend though that you put some kind of like clear gloss over it to keep the paint nice and neat without having it like kind of chip off, because after drying it, it still is kind of sticky. And in my bag, it would probably get lost and scratched up. So I would do definitely like a clear coat to protect this beautiful mixture of colors. So thank you again to toymonster. Absolutely love pourpalz. And I had so much fun creating and checking out this brand new toy. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, don't forget to follow me wherever you're watching. Thanks for watching, guys. And I hope you have a wonderful day.